Hello students, hope you are doing well. So there is a text and on the basis of the text we have some questions given here. So what we supposed to do here, we need to read the text and on the basis of the text we will find out a question and our priority is to uh, get the questions answer, right, from the option given below. Well, uh, let's move to the question. So, what does the question point out here? The question points out that which of the following does not capture the ideal promoted by instrumental egalitarianism. So, we have already gone through the text and we got the idea that the text is nothing but all about egalitarianism, a contested concept in social and political thought. And if you look into the question, which of the following does not capture the ideal promoted by instrumental egalitarianism? The ideal promoted by instrumental egalitarianism as caring about equality as a means to promoting some other ideal about which they care. Let's analyze each option in the context of this definition. So the first option said if we all had one eye, that would be in one way better than if half of us had two eyes and the other half had none. So if we look into this first statement, so what does it say? This statement promotes the idea of equality as a means to achieving a better outcome, which which aligns with the view of an instrumental egalitarian. It suggests that having one eye for everyone is better than an unequal distribution of eyes. Okay, so let's see that means the first option is indicating the idea like this. Now, moving to the second option, what does the second option say? It is stated that it is better to endure all of the human suffering than permit the rich to translate their extra wealth into better genetic profiles. Right. So this statement expresses a concern for preventing the rich from using their wealth to gain genetic advantage or advantages, which implies a preference for reducing inequality as a means to promote a specific ideal. In this case, preventing genetic inequality. This aligns with the view of instrumental egalitarianism, yet we need to observe the option 3 also, option 3 and 4. Option 3 said it is bad luck for him if he is born uncharming and lacking in good looks, and others are not voluntarily willing to enter into friendship with him. Now, if you look into this option, this statement doesn't focus actually. This statement doesn't focus using equality as a means to promote some other ideal. Instead, it highlights the concept of bad luck in terms of attractiveness and friendship, but it does not emphasize equality as a means to achieve a particular goal. Therefore, you can say this statement doesn't capture the perfect promoted by instrumental egalitarianism. So, whereas if we look into the option 1 and option 2, these are clearly indicating or clearly capture the ideal promoted by instrumental egalitarianism. So look into the option 4. What does option 4 pointed? Option 4 stated if we redistribute, if we read, okay, if we redistribute, yeah, if we redistribute from the better off to the worse off, we can help feed the hungry people. So option 4 uh, promotes the redistribution from the better off to the worse off as a means to help whom? Those in need, isn't it? Those in need. Um, so feeding the hungry people, it aligns with the view of instrumental egalitarianism by using equality as a means to achieve a specific goal, right? So all total, if you look into that option 1, 2, and 4, these are nothing but capturing the ideal promoted by instrumental egalitarianism, whereas option 3 doesn't do that, right? So therefore, option 3 will be the appropriate one. In summary, if you look into that option 1, 2, and 4 all reflect the view of an instrumental egalitarianism, as they consider equality as a means to promote some other ideal or goal. Option 3, on the other hand, doesn't emphasize equality in this way and is therefore the one that doesn't capture the ideal promoted by instrumental egalitarianism in accordance with the passage definition. So hence option 3 will be the correct answer. I hope you got the idea of the question's answer. That's all. Thank you.